turquoise waters, endless horizons, tropical islands, and one incredible ship ready to take us across the Caribbean. This is not just a cruise. This is a 7-day journey aboard the spectacular independence of the seas, starting and ending in vibrant Miami. This adventure will take us through some of the most beautiful destinations in the Caribbean. Our first stop? A private island paradise, CocoCay. Then we sail toward the rhythms and colors of Jamaica. Crystal clear waters await us in the stunning Cayman Islands. And finally, the vibrant culture and turquoise coast of Cozumel, before returning full circle back to Miami. But this journey is not only about the destinations. Life on board the independence of the seas is an experience on its own. From sunrise on the open deck to adrenaline-pumping activities, incredible dining experiences, Broadway-style shows, and those magical Caribbean sunsets at sea. For 7 days, this ship becomes a floating city and our home. In this series, we'll take you behind the scenes of everything. What it's really like to cruise in the Caribbean, the excursions and hidden gems at every port, honest impressions of the ship, food reviews, costs, and practical tips, and those unexpected moments that make travel unforgettable. Whether you're planning your own cruise or just dreaming of turquoise water and island vibes, this series is for you. So pack your sunscreen, get ready for island time, and join us as we sail across the Caribbean. This is only the beginning. If you're excited for this journey, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because in the next episode, we step on board and explore the ship on embarkation day in Miami. Let's set sail.